Today we're going up in the Police Air Wing's latest helicopter, PolAir 4.
You know, every day of every week, the work of our aviation support branch and its support to our frontline officers makes a very real difference to communities right across this state. This new resource for the New South Wales Police Force comes at a total cost of $8.5 million and will ensure that our force has the resources it needs to protect our community.
So boss, what's the benefits of the new PolAir 4?
Mark, overall this is the most sophisticated machine we've had in the police. The enhancements of the twin engine, which make it much more manoeuvrable, which gives us better access for night operations and for getting into tight spots to help the police on the ground. The winching capability is double what we've previously had, with double speed and double capacity.
I'm with the pilot of the new PolAir 4, Mark McNichol. Mark, what's it like to fly?
It's really agile and manoeuvrable. It's like a high-performance sports car.
Mate, you would have had to undergo a fair bit of training to step up to this one?
Yeah, we went over to the factory in Germany and did a 4-week intensive course. Really good course.
Bless this helicopter and bless those who fly in it and maintain it. Protect them and keep them from all harm and injury as they use their skills to ensure our freedom, safety and rescue in times of accidents and disasters, and protection from crime, violence and aggression.